Come on, fourth graders. You guys are awesome at this stuff. I know you are. Okay, so eat is E-A-T. There should not be an E at the end. So I'm just going to cross that off right there. The next sentence, a frog named Flipper also live in the tank, but he usually hide under the rocks. How does that sentence sound? How can we change it? Xander, I do need a sign of life, so if you can just give me a thumbs up or answer. Okay. You guys are awfully quiet today. Alright, so a frog named Flipper also live in the tank, but he usually hide under the rocks. We should probably put live. And then maybe, I don't like that. Maybe we could put something else in the sentence that is needed. That's not even right. Miss Mills made a mistake. So you guys help me out. What can I put here? How about a frog named Flipper also lives in the tank, but he usually hides under the rocks. It is fun to watch all the different creatures in my tank. I see one more spelling word. Or a word that could be corrected by spelling. Do you see it in the last sentence? Alright, I really want to get to the writing part of this assignment today, so just know MY is my, and thank you Manny for your help earlier today. So we did go through and get those capitals. We did find the punctuation. Oh, I'm so glad you're back, Xander. It was really quiet. And we're done with this part. So we're going to talk a little bit about what is descriptive writing, and this is why I had you do that at the warm-up. And Xander, I know you weren't here, but we went over the 5 senses, which are taste, smell, see, hear, and feel.
I already know these.
You do? Great.
Yep.
So when we do descriptive writing, a lot of times we want to create that picture for someone and explain things to them. Like, I had this, you don't have to say, I ate ice cream. You can say, I ate the best strawberry creamy ice cream there is. Or you can, be more descriptive, maybe see what it tasted like. I mentioned the flavor. You can mention how it felt, how it sounded like when you ate it. Maybe it's fried ice cream and it sounded crunchy. Or what it looked like. Did it look like regular strawberry? Was it pink or was it white with strawberries in it?
I hate strawberry ice cream.
It's not my favorite either, but it's just an
example. I like chocolate. I like regular classic strawberries, but I don't like strawberry ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream though.
Yeah, so that's great. Descriptive writing is the only type of writing that should be used in all
Hey,
forms.
can you
So
tell me right?
we are going to write
No,
in a
I
minute.
mean, in chat, sorry.
Oh, I turned it off. So I can see it, but not everybody else can. All right, so I did want to, before we start writing today, and I'll go over what we're writing about, I wanted to go over the senses a little bit more. And so I'm going to try something. It's called